Yo guys, it's Friday afternoon, beautiful weather, sunny day, beginning of the weekend, and it's a great opportunity to explore a little bit of the Kuala Lumpur city center, guys. Some live performance, 7-Eleven, Starbucks, so many other small shops and the places for having some grab a snack. Everywhere around there are malls, and also the streets are getting busier and busier when it's more later and cooler, because obviously it's very hot in Kuala Lumpur, guys. Here is one of the biggest junctions, Pavilion Suits and Pavilion shopping mall. Check this out, how the crowd it is at a Friday afternoon. It's just 5:30 p.m. This is like a big chicken wings of KFC. I don't know, actually this is maybe they actually selling the chickens inside as well, right? Actually there's some promotion and you can win the chicken nugget, the pillow or something like that. So funny, actually, so cool. The fountain at the front of the mall actually looks very modern here in Malaysia. The malls are looking very modern, and I'm pretty sure the Pavilion Mall is the most fancy mall in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, also the biggest one. And it's also a very interesting story about this mall, because back into a few years back we went with Winnie to this mall, actually, to the Pavilion, to buy engagement ring. We go together to buy engagement ring because I didn't know the size, and story is actually quite long, maybe not on today's video. And we met Ronaldinho there, the football player. But some time ago, a few years ago, there was the UEFA have an exhibition and Ronaldinho was the special guest. So everybody, including me and Winnie, used to watch him. Unfortunately, we couldn't make a picture with him. However, I have some pictures from the UEFA signs and stuff like this. By the way, I was so young at that time. And technically, this is the biggest mall in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur, I think. I'm pretty sure. However, if I'm wrong, you can correct me, guys. And you can find here basically any kind of brands you like, starting from normal brands up to the premium ones. There is also great selection of the sports shops, in case if you need to buy the shoe, like I have to do it. Because as you know, every big city have a lot of, you have to walk a lot. You need to have really comfortable shoes for that, guys. Alright guys, so today I'm meeting our fans. Here I go. What's your name, my friend?
Andy.
Andy, and this is your wife. She's a little bit shy today, so don't you worry. And how long are you living in Malaysia already?
Since 2014, so almost 8 years.
8 years,
Yep.
right?
Mhm.
All right. Where we are now, it seems quite busy. Look at this surrounds everywhere. Just be careful on the car. What is the area name?
The name of the area is Changkat area here.
Changkat.
Changkat,
And
yes.
Tell me something about it. It seems very busy. There are bars. And
Yes,
everything.
true. Actually, this is a famous area for a nightlife here in Kuala Lumpur. This is a place for expatriate and also the local to enjoy the nightlife
So
here.
the expats and local enjoying their life. And
Yes, true.
it's very busy during the Friday night, actually, guys.
Yes, this is a Friday night.
We're gonna show you around, guys, now. You will like it. And to be honest, when I've been many times in Malaysia, I never been here. So thank you for showing me around.
Definitely.
Thank you so
no
much.
worries.
So guys, this is the place where the expats are chilling around, and I'm gonna show you. We're gonna show you together around. I have a guide now, and since he's really busy, especially right now, it's already 10 p.m. Friday afternoon, guys. So we have one bars here everywhere around. Well, you may not expect as the places like this are in Malaysia, but this is nightlife in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Actually very, very busy, I have to say. And you can find the people from all around the world, literally here, from all around the world, guys. So the nightlife in Kuala Lumpur, guys, that's definitely a lot of people. Like I said, one of the biggest expat communities in Asia living actually in Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So you can expect a lot of people everywhere around, from all around the world. There are bars, very nice looking bars actually. You can watch the sports or many other things. Enjoying the time Friday afternoon in Kuala Lumpur. There's also the live bands here, so you can enjoy the time. Very nice bars. Yo, everybody are so happy and so friendly here. Actually, very nice vibe for the nightlife in Kuala Lumpur. And we're back to the city center, to the main junction, and check this out, the crowds. So many people actually everywhere around. Are you stressing? How are you doing? All good, guys? So, I know you're in rush, you have to go home. Such a lovely couple, so thank you so much for saying hi and invite me for a dinner and everything. I really
Nice
appreciate
to see you,
it.
Damien.
I have one question. You said as 1 year ago here was very quiet. There was no crowded like is it today, right now, yes?
That's true. That's true.
That was sad times,
That's a
right?
sad story.
But now it's busy already, like almost come back to normal, or?
I think it's more than.
No,
Yeah.
it's almost.
No, really?
Almost, but can
What's-
be like much crowded.
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for showing me around. And go home now, don't get late.
Thank you,
It's
Daniel.
already 10, almost 11 p.m. guys. Alright, guys, my friend went home because they're living in Cyberjaya. It's already 11 p.m. and the last train is something like that. And I'm gonna show you the newest attraction in Kuala Lumpur, one of the newest. It's also quite a lot of local people chilling around. It's quite late night. Look at this beautiful bridge around me, overlooking the beautiful towers here. So basically this is Saloma Bridge, bridge overpassing the highway and the river, but changing lights and overlooking the twin towers of Petronas Towers. It's really nice. However, as you can see, it's quite a lot of people, like for nearly midnight at Friday afternoon. Also so many people coming here to making pictures, so seems like a very interesting attraction, guys. And there, just outside the bridge, there is like a some looking hawker center. So many actually locals chilling around all the time, coming by. Not mention this is almost midnight, and this is the view of the tower still over here. A little bit of the view of the city center, but from the other perspective, area of the towers. Another view of the towers, actually pretty nice. You can see them from any corner of the city actually, and well, it's almost 11:30 and traffic actually seems a little bit crowded. I'm very impressed about that, as there is busy in Kuala Lumpur, guys. Alright guys, it's a little bit late, it's time to go home for me before the MRT gonna be closed. I think they're closing at 12. You can comment below, actually I'm a little bit confused about that. Today a little bit of everything from the Kuala Lumpur center, in general the nightlife during the weekend. As you see, you can find everything what you need in Kuala Lumpur. Either you would like to having a party or clubbing or having a drink in the bar, or maybe you would like to chill with having a pictures with the local people around. Everything you can find here. Also, I had a time with my fans today. Thank you so much, guys, for your time. And every one of you who would like to having a coffee or maybe lunch or dinner or breakfast, just let me know. Send me the private message on Instagram, on the email you can find in the description of my channel. I will try to find a time for you guys, as I'm still till end of June in Malaysia, guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. That's it from me for today. I will see you tomorrow. Something new from Malaysia. See ya. Take care, guys.